bacu dukunda turishimye turabakiriye muri groupe scolaire Saint Paul Charles.
Barakoze cyane
amashini y'umuntu kuri abana rwose.
Bwana Rogasiye
umwana n'umugisha, umwana n'umutware. Ndabona bagifite byinshi byo kuduha no kutwereka kuri uyu mwanya. Tubatega amatwi
bajya mbere bagakomeza.
Sabe dije kugira ngo zira mikoro zongerere ubushobozi. Ko bari n'abana bafite umuka muke.
Adufasha komeza adufashe.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nesata Shalom. My name is Manosha Mikostati. My name is Marairo Nari. I'm a student. I'm in 8th we pray, we study with our best friend. Discreet elders obey parents. Become sincere and punctual is the habit we learn, and that is why we call my school my pride. Thank you. We wish you nice today.
Flowers kwa abana, flowers kwa abana bakoze byiza cyane. Amashyi menshi kuri bano bana.
Bwana Rogasiye ngira ngo
Karame
urabona
ndabikumva.
yuko
My name is Mizor Ivamegan. I'm in baby class. My school is Group Seporo Chazo.
Flowers,
My school. I like my school. My school is good. My school is clear. My school is careful. My school is where they're cracking. My school supports children. I love my school.
Wow.
flowers.
ngira ngo murabona neza ko gahunda ya ndera neza nkore neza
rwose
aha ngaha ariho yahereye
cyane rwose. Baracyakomeje. Amashyi n'impundu kuri bano bana ko batoje biza cyane, barayakwiye. Vedaste ngira ngo muri make twese ko turahangaha abatashoboye kumva uru rurimi ruzungu bavuze bihangane bazazi hano